I want to start with a sentence we hear almost every week. Nothing is really wrong with my house, but keeping up with it just feels heavier than it used to.
If that sounds familiar, we want you to hear this clearly. That feeling is not failure, it's not weakness, and it doesn't mean you're ungrateful. It's information.
We hear this all the time from people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s. They say things like, I still love my home. I raised my kids here. I worked so hard for this place.
But then they quietly add, I'm tired. I don't enjoy the weekends the way I used to. I feel like I'm always catching up.
And what's so interesting is they're not talking about one big thing. They're talking about snow, lawn, repairs.
Basements, stairs, storage, projects, planning, worry.
It's the mental load that grows over time.
Here's the shift we gently offer people. At some point, the question changes. Not, can I still manage this? But, do I still want to?
That's not quitting, that's clarity. Your life changes, your energy changes, your priorities change, your home should change with you. When people ignore this feeling, one of two things happens.
They wait until something forces a decision, or they stay stuck longer than they want.
But when they allow themselves to see what's happening, they feel relief.
Because now they're not failing, they're evolving.
If something in you is whispering, this feels heavier than it should,
You don't need to decide anything, you just need clarity.
and that's where your plan begins.